Here I've got DOOGEE S50, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select Backup and Reset, and here just click on Backup My Data right here. And if you would like to activate this feature, tap on this switcher. Now it's active, so let's go back, and now it's time to add your backup account. So all you have to do to add a new backup account is to click on Backup Account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And now enter either your email address or your phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case it's email address, and it's hard reset. Reset. Info1 at gmail.com. And then tap on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, and now just tap on next. And now you have to come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the conditions presented here, just tap on I agree. And now click on Accept to confirm your selection, and that's it. You've just activated Google Backup. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.